Welcome back, everyone. We have Ryan's Robin's Egg Blue 75th anniversary Strat. And it's got that painted face on the headstock. Of course, it's got a compensated nut. We did a fret dress, an edge dress. Those frets were a little bit sharp along the edges. And this is set up for 11 to 54 strings at concert pitch. So we'll quickly go through the tuning test, and then we'll bring it in and play a little bit. We'll start with the open strings. Well, this is certainly one design that has stood the test of time. 75th anniversary. And as I mentioned earlier, this is 11 to 54 strings set up for concert pitch. It was edge dressed, and of course we've got a compensated nut. And this will go back to the customer today or tomorrow. But I'd like to bring it in, plug it in, and really check it out before it leaves. It has those original stamped saddles that Leo came up with all those years ago that Stevie Ray Vaughan insisted on having on his signature Strat. So that's the progression. I've looped that. I'm just going to blow over top.